Prepare to be amazed by the latest advancements in food processing technology. In this video, we'll showcase cutting-edge machines that are revolutionizing the way food is prepared and packaged. From ultra-fast peelers to precision slicers, these innovations are designed to enhance efficiency and ensure quality. Stay tuned to witness the future of food processing. Aokai Sausage Machine. The Aokai Sausage Machine is a high-performance automated solution designed for efficient sausage production. Known for its precision, the machine can fill, link, and portion sausages at rapid speeds, maintaining consistency and quality across large batches. It operates with minimal human intervention, making it ideal for large-scale meat processing facilities. The machine is built with stainless steel, ensuring durability and compliance with food safety standards. Its user-friendly interface allows for easy control and adjustments, while advanced features like automatic twisting and cutting streamline the production process, making it a reliable tool for high-output sausage manufacturing. Line M30. The Line M30 from Maine Poultry is an advanced poultry processing machine that significantly boosts efficiency and throughput in poultry plants. Designed to handle the entire process from slaughtering to packing, the Line M30 operates at high speed, ensuring optimal use of space and labor. It offers precision in tasks such as defeathering, evisceration, and portioning, all while maintaining top-tier hygiene standards. With Maine's focus on innovation, the Line M30 incorporates cutting-edge automation technology, reducing human error and maximizing consistency in poultry processing. Its versatility allows it to handle various bird sizes, making it ideal for large-scale poultry operations. Additionally, Maine's after-sales support ensures the machine remains reliable and productive over time, keeping pace with the demands of modern poultry processing. Omatic 600. The Omatic 600 is an artisan machine specifically designed for producing taralli, an Italian snack made from dough shaped into rings and then baked. This machine offers remarkable efficiency and consistency in producing taralli at both small and large scales. It allows users to customize the shape, size, and weight of each piece to meet specific product requirements. The Omatic 600 operates with precision, ensuring uniformity in every batch, which is crucial for maintaining product quality. With its stainless steel construction, this machine ensures durability, hygiene, and easy maintenance, making it ideal for commercial bakers and snack producers looking for high throughput. WeareCP Machines. WeareCP offers cutting-edge machines for food processing, focusing on the automation of various production lines. One of their standout machines is used for meat and poultry processing, which provides efficient, high-speed production without compromising quality. The machine handles tasks such as portioning, slicing, and packaging with extreme precision. It is designed to streamline the workflow in large-scale food production environments, offering excellent hygiene features, ease of use, and robust durability. The machine can operate at high speeds with minimal downtime, ensuring that manufacturers can keep up with the growing demand while reducing manual labor. Nirav 2-in-1 Potato and Banana Chips Machine. The 2-in-1 Potato and Banana Chips Machine from Nirav is an innovative solution for producing both types of chips with one machine. This versatile machine is designed to slice potatoes and bananas uniformly, ensuring consistent thickness for even frying and perfect texture. It features high-speed operation, enabling small to medium snack manufacturers to increase productivity without compromising quality. Its stainless steel body ensures durability, hygiene, and easy cleaning, making it suitable for commercial food processing settings. The dual-function design saves space and reduces the need for multiple machines, making it an efficient solution for snack production. Zumex Industrial Citrus Juicers. Zumex's industrial citrus juicers are designed for high-efficiency juice extraction from various citrus fruits. These machines operate with remarkable speed and precision, extracting maximum juice while minimizing waste, making them ideal for large-scale juice production. Built with food-grade stainless steel, they ensure durability and compliance with strict food safety standards. Zumex machines feature automated processes that handle fruit from start to finish, including washing, slicing, and squeezing, without manual intervention. Their easy-to-clean design and intuitive user interface make them a top choice for juice manufacturers aiming to produce fresh, high-quality juices on an industrial scale. Emilio Midi Pasta Machines. Emilio Midi Pasta Machines are engineered for precision and consistency in fresh pasta production. These machines are capable of producing a wide variety of pasta shapes, from spaghetti to ravioli, with exacting quality. Designed for both small artisanal pasta makers and large-scale commercial producers, Emilio Midi machines offer high output while maintaining the delicate texture and quality expected from fresh pasta. Constructed with durable materials, these machines are easy to operate and clean, allowing for efficient pasta production. Their ability to automate various stages of pasta making, from dough kneading to shaping, helps streamline the production process while ensuring consistent results. Leroy Rene Caramel Machine. Leroy René's caramel machine is designed for the precise cooking and preparation of caramels, ensuring perfect texture and flavor in every batch. This machine automates the complex process of caramelization, allowing for exact control over temperature, timing, and ingredients, which is essential for creating high-quality, consistent products. The machine's robust stainless steel build ensures hygiene and durability, while its intuitive control system allows operators to customize settings for different recipes. Ideal for confectionaries, this machine can handle large-scale production while maintaining the artisanal quality of traditional caramel-making methods. CatioGlue Tomato Paste Machine. The CatioGlue Tomato Paste Machine is designed to streamline the production of tomato paste, making it an essential tool for food processors specializing in sauces and condiments. This machine automates the process of crushing, cooking, and reducing tomatoes into paste, ensuring high-quality, consistent output. Its advanced automation allows operators to adjust settings such as cooking temperature and processing time to meet specific recipe requirements. Built from food-grade stainless steel, the machine is easy to clean and maintain, ensuring compliance with hygiene standards. With its efficient design, the CatioGlue Tomato Paste Machine minimizes waste and maximizes productivity in large-scale food production. Apple Processing. AS6 Machine. The AS6 apple peeling and slicing machine from Cronin is a high-efficiency solution for processing apples at an industrial level. This machine automates the entire process of peeling, coring, and slicing apples, significantly reducing manual labor and increasing production speed. It can process up to 900 apples per hour, making it ideal for large-scale food processors or fruit snack manufacturers. The machine ensures uniform cuts and peels, which is essential for maintaining consistency and product quality. Made from stainless steel, it is durable, easy to clean, and designed to operate in food-safe environments, helping streamline apple processing while reducing downtime. Pineapple Cutter MPC 100. The manual MPC 100 pineapple chunk cutter is designed for quick and efficient pineapple processing. This manual machine allows operators to slice pineapples into uniform chunks, which is ideal for fresh fruit markets, catering businesses, or smaller food processing plants. The machine's sharp blades ensure precise cuts, preserving the fruit's integrity while maximizing yield. Constructed from food-safe materials, the MPC 100 is durable and easy to clean, making it a reliable tool for businesses looking to produce ready-to-eat pineapple chunks. Its compact design and simple operation make it a valuable addition to any fruit processing facility, offering quality results with minimal effort. Thanks for watching. Let us know in the comments which machine amazed you the most, and don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed the video. Make sure to subscribe for more incredible tech and innovations coming your way. See you in the next one.